2, 1, start. Ladies and gentlemen, I feel very happy at this opportunity to welcoming you to this annual general meeting stop. As usual, copies of the balance sheet and the director's report for the year ended 31st March 2016 have been circulated and they will be taken as read. Stop, change para. I am glad to state that the financial result of the year, as shown by the balance sheet and the profit and loss account, have shown considerable improvement over the previous year. Stop. Production has been increased. Cost of production is kept down by improving efficiency in spite of rising prices of material, stores, etc. Stop. Thanks to the Forest Department, supply of bamboos has improved both in quantity and quality. Stop. Other raw materials such as waste, paper, etc. stop have also been in better supply. Stop, change para. Going back to the year that has ended, our main regret has been that we were unable to meet the rapidly increasing demand for fine quality writing paper. Stop. There has been growing disappointment among many valued customers. Stop. To meet the complaints, arrangements have now been made for supplies direct from the mills to essential users such as publishers of textbooks, etc. Stop. But now, to the satisfaction of all concerned, stop. Better service can come only through increasing capacity of the mills, that is, by completing the expansion scheme as quickly as possible. Stop, change para. I now wish to add that expansion is not merely a problem of the Mysore paper mills or of the paper industry in Mysore, but of the paper industry as a whole in India. Stop. Expansion of the existing mills, completion of the mills under construction, and starting of new mills are problems of immediate urgency. Stop. Well considered schemes are neither wanting nor are difficult to obtain. Stop. Lack of capital has been the main problem. Stop. Our scheme has been delayed for 3 years or more already for want of necessary funds. Stop. Private capital continues be shy. Stop. The difficulty be overcome only by government aid from the state as well as the center. Stop. I have no doubt the Planning Commission of the Government of India will have considered the matter and provide necessary means to enable the industry to obtain necessary funds. Stop. To tide over the financial ties, a cash credit lien to the extent of 15 lakhs has been obtained from the Imperial Bank of India on the guarantee of Government of Mysore. Stop. In spite of these financial stress, we have made very good progress during last financial year. Stop. Though our profits are moderate, your directors are pleased to recommend a 10% dividend. Stop, change para. I wish to state that the splendid results of the year would not have been possible without accommodation and willing cooperation of all sections of the employees, staff, and labor stock. I am glad to report that there was no labor trouble during the year. Stop. In appreciation of this, the directors have sanctioned a bonus of 2 months' wages or salaries. Stop. Change para. On behalf of the board and shareholder, I wish to express our gratefulness to the government of Mysore and the central government for their continued encouragement and help. Stop. We are particularly grateful to the government of Mysore for having extended their guarantee of our loan with the Imperial Bank of India. Stop. Change para. In conclusion, I wish to express the gratitude for the valued cooperation and assistance that I have always received from the directors on the board. Stop. Change para. Dear Sir, we thank you for your letter of 10th April sending a draft for Rs 5,000 towards part payment for the first consignment of books sent to you. Stop. We note the inconvenience caused in not meeting your requirement in full. Stop. In this connection, we may inform you that it is totally beyond our control. Stop. Due to some misunderstanding with the management, the labor went to the strike for a period of about 2 months during the month of February and March. Stop. However, due to the timely interference of the labor welfare officer of the state government and the union representative, as agreement has been entered into and all pending issues have been settled in a spirit of cooperation, and we are taking prompt action to comply with all orders within the next 2 weeks. Stop. Change para. We are glad note your suggestion regarding improvement in the matter of printing of the books. Stop. This suggestion has been examined in greater detail by our experts and we have yet to decide on the same. Stop. You will be glad to know that wherever possible, your suggestion will be implanted provided there is no addition to the cost of the book when released into the market. Stop. We have already taken up the matter of supply of quality paper by government for this purpose. Stop. On hearing from the government authorities, we shall be glad to let you know the position. Stop. Thanking you, yours faithfully.